Is your iPhone acting strange? It may be because of viruses. Let's clean it up. Start with removing suspicious apps. Find any suspicious app on the home screen. Press and hold the icon. Tap on Remove. Then delete app. Don't forget to clear Safari browsing data. Go to Settings. Scroll down till Apps. Then use the search bar to find and select Safari. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Choose Clear All History. Delete unnecessary files. Open the Files app. Check iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and Download sections. Press and hold unwanted or unrecognized files. Then tap Delete. Head to the recently deleted folder. Select all files and delete them permanently. Perform a factory reset if necessary. Return back to Settings and tap General. Find and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings to reset your iPhone. And that's it. Subscribe for more iPhone fixes.